Yeah, are you tired of being bent over at the pump? Gas prices going up while your dollars are going down? Well, tonight's video, we're going to talk on how to save money at the pump even before you get to the pump and even get money back at the pump. All right, so let's begin. First thing you want to do is make sure that you're using the correct fuel for your vehicle. Yeah, most of the cars these days, if they ain't electric, they're using regular unleaded gas. So stop blowing money on the premium and the super when your car don't even need it. Next thing you want to do is you want to check your gas cap. Yeah, make sure the O-ring isn't dried out. Oxygen can leak in. Suddenly, you're using more gas than necessary. Replace every like 10 years. Stop hauling trash in your trunk. Just get rid of it. All that excess weight just weighs the vehicle down, causing drag, causing you to use gas. Everything you do basically causes you to use more gas than necessary. So next thing you want to do is make sure your tires are properly inflated. That should be a no-brainer. But nowadays, ain't every tire needs 32 psi. Then you just want to move into the engine compartment. Make sure you're using the correct weight of oil. Make sure your air filter is clean and unclogged. A clogged air filter starves the engine of oxygen, causing it to throw off the fuel to air mixture, causing you to use more gas than necessary. All right, and try to stay up to date on your tune-ups, right? Replacing the plugs, coils, cables, O2 sensors, and even cleaning the fuel injectors can help your vehicle run more efficiently and last longer. And if it's doing that, it's going to use less gas. The second thing that you could do is to just choose your gas stations wisely. Don't be filling up at every station you see, right? You got to be smart about these things. And don't feed into the garbage that everybody loves to mouth off these days about oils going up, distribution, refinery costs. Everybody's a genius, man. Everybody's a genius. But what you can do is you can just be more smart about it because all that other stuff is gobbledygook, right? Look for a station that offers rewards and discounts, man. This Speedway gave me 5 cents off the gallon just because I'm a rewards member. I put 30 in the tank and got a quarter back, man. How cool is that? Also, you want to look for a gas station that's got a convenience store because if they sell groceries, they use that to be more competitive at the pump, right? You can get a lower price, 1 or 2 cents off just by going to a gas station that's got a convenience store. Get your scratch offs and milk right there, man, and also save at the pump. And don't sleep on the car wash. Crunch the numbers, maybe it comes out in your favor if you fill up the whole tank. Be smart about your money. Also, stay away from gas stations near the expressways, right? These gas stations are known as stations of last resort because they know that the next gas station you're going to run into is going to be miles and miles away. So they're banking on you thinking that you should fill up before you hop on the expressway. That's how come all the gas stations closer to the expressways, they're anywhere from 5 to 10 cents more expensive, right? So far, regular maintenance on your vehicle can save you money by making your vehicle run more efficiently. Choosing your gas station more wisely can actually save you money if you're more conscious as to what the station can offer you in return. But lastly, there's an app out here, and it's called Upside. Upside lets you know which gas stations are offering rebates on the gas that they sell you. Just by looking at this map here, you can see that this Speedway was paying out 22 cents. And it even tells you what the price of the gas was after you saved. So why not do it? You can also see what gas stations in your area or even down the way that are a part of this program that participate in this app. And when all else fails, you can use this app and at least get something back. So there you have it. 3 ways you could save at the pump or at least ease the pain at the pump. Like, share, subscribe. Be sure to hit that like button. And happy travels, people. Peace.